Yeah, 4-1, bad seeds. Ferocious, shambling Rudin. This is what remains of the living. Aim for the head to put them down quickly. Ferocious. No one left behind. Complete the level with all 4 cleaners alive. I think that's been the same card.
No, it's slightly different.
I mean, the same stipulation.
It's been slightly different. The last one was actually different. It was,
Oh, was it?
very different, but
Oh, we jumped. We're in a diner now?
The Red have been
we took
showing
some
up in
humpies.
increasing numbers around Finleyville. I think I know why. We've identified what we believe is a major infected incursion point at the old Blue Dog mine. Belisaro took a team out there.
there's a
Last
good
transmission
AK
mine
and
from
good
was
scar.
that they were approaching the mine but facing heavy opposition. Because I needed someone that followed orders.
Okay, so I may have made some mistakes first time out, but we got the job done. What else do you need?
I needed people I can trust. You want to earn mine again? Find out what happened to them and seal Blue Dog Mine.
I think I dropped an ammo pouch. If anyone wants it.
Yeah,
Never have enough ammo.
I'll
Nice.
pick it up for now.
Long road ahead. Better stock up.
I don't know which one's better. Oh, this is one more handling. This stock is really good if anyone
Found
wants
the
to pick it
stock.
up.
Pick it up. It's just slightly better than the one I had.
Yeah, the one I grabbed was one better than this one.
You okay?
I'm out.
Damn, that hatchet does some damage. Alex, you still have a melee secondary, right?
Yeah.
Is that
Here.
better?
Yep, I have the fire axe.
Oh, the fire axe is better than the hatchet there.
I mean,
I guess I
like,
guess yeah. I'll leave it up to you for what you want. I just wasn't
Oh.
sure.
really, I'll give it a try. I don't know if the range is necessarily better on it though.
Oh yeah.
But I'm willing to
Try
give it
it.
a try. Yeah. I like looked at that guy and he fell over. I don't understand on that one.
You seem eager to be out here, Hoffman.
My father might be out here. Bad news he may be, but he's the only family I've got left.
Bad news he may be, but he's the only family I have left.
That zombie looked weird when I killed him.
I mean, all the zombies look weird.
Well, true. That one that
I
specifically
just
had a
shot that
weird
one in the head
animation.
and ammo spawned. look at, I shot him in the head and
Oh, I
the
hear
ammo spawned on the
birds.
ground.
It sounded like they were behind us more.
You see it?
Yeah.
Like
We might
they,
have
they
been
might have been part of the scenery more. Whoa.
Or
Okay.
yeah,
Probably
that's
just teleported.
Whoa, that whatever it is, teleported out of the wall. You did. Are you still carrying the Barrett?
Yeah.
Dead end.
Here's something like squelching over here.
Cutting cross country will save you time on foot.
Don't know what that was, but I killed it. Hawker.
And the rest of his team.
You do realize you're not doing any damage to those guys, right?
Yeah, I was seeing which ones were real and which ones weren't, because I actually hit one that was like in the middle of the crowd, and he actually, there's a red X and he fell over.
Okay. Yeah, I wasn't sure because I tried shooting a couple of them and did no damage.
Killed a bunch that
There
were
was one-
close.
Yeah. There was one where, when we were on the, when we were on the overpass, I like looked down and shot one that was like off the map, and it just disappeared.
He's like, okay, despawn.
More to the point.
Yeah.
Why? Now who's running?
Hey, here's the better fire axe than that, Alex. Or
Axe here.
a fire axe better than the hatchet.
Sweet, I'll take it. For sure.
Taking this.
Yeah. That's what.
It's your story, Walker.
I mean, it was okay.
Come
Like,
on,
it's definitely
everyone's
serviceable. But
Not me.
this one seems to cleave and hit more than one
It was
target in
nice.
front of me in an arc.
Nice and blue. Oh, hey, there's a bandage here if anyone
Never allowed
wants one.
myself to get there. It's too late.
Oh,
I mean,
I
you're
have a
young.
first aid kit.
Ish. Still time. Maybe not a lot, but you know, some.
Maybe. But I do this for future generations. Over there.
There's a suppressed TAC-14 shotgun here, Alex. You can be stealthy and
Oh.
close up.
And close up, yeah.
A stealthy close up.
Need that.
Assassinate him, basically.
A
Pick up this.
stealthy
What have we here?
or kind
A
of like
stealthy
a
one?
stealth selfie. Oh, is this the way we're supposed to go? Over toward this spooky barn over here?
Wait, can I?
Found a stock.
Oh, I can. Cool.
Hey, here's another suppressed
Stock here.
shotgun.
Oh yeah, this is a
Super
Super 90
90.
though.
SMG.
I don't know. It looks
I
like
both of those. I kind of want the Vector.
Let's do this before I change my mind.
This Scar has really good damage, by the way.
Stock here.
Okay, yeah, I want the Scar back. I like the fire rate of the Vector, but man,
does it have a pretty poor range?
oh, range and the recoil just wasn't that good. Oh, hey, random card here.
Ooh.
How are you doing?
Wonder what I'll
Ollie?
get. Fortune. Whatever that
What's
means.
the matter,
Man,
little
they're giving
guy?
us a lot of shotgun ammo.
Health.
Ammo.
Whoa, what is this in here? Oh,
This zombie was like stuck under this tractor. I shot him and he just goes flying.
oh, I think this is one of the respawn points.
Oh,
Razor
looks
wire
like a
here.
rack thing.
Just what I wanted.
Yeah, or
Moth
kind
rack.
of. It made me
That's the
think
PG
that it's sort of
version.
similar. Yeah, it kind of reminded me of something similar to the spitters in GTFO. I thought it was gonna squeal and shoot something at us like that.
Oh yeah, I see. It slightly infect us and lower our health, maybe.
Yeah, here's another one.
Jesse, catch.
Copper. Oh God,
There's a free health charge.
I don't want to be in there anymore.
Yeah, take it, and get hit by it, and then get the free health recharge.
Destroy the nest.
I mean, I'm gonna heal up.
Door opens. Oh, I had to actually cut down that door. That was awesome.
Did you feel like your
Man.
fire axe was useful?
Yes.
See that?
What's up?
Entering the premises.
Oh, I can't break that one open. Damn it. I was gonna surprise Jesse.
Holly's just cleaning up the edges of the map. Or was that you,
Yeah, I
Jesse?
watched that.
What have
Well, it was me and Holly. Oh hey,
Hey, do you guys want to go swimming
toolkit.
with me? I
Toolkit.
just got a new pool.
Oh, you got a new pool?
Yeah, come
Do you
here, Alex.
guys do either one of you have a toolkit?
Oh, awesome. Oh.
Yeah, I do.
It gets worse as
Okay.
you stare at
There's
it.
there's one in the building.
Need that.
I'll grab that
Oh.
scope
Cover me.
if no one wants it.
I see some more copper. Oh, it's in that. Okay, you already opened the door. Cool.
Hey, ACOG.
Got a better
You go
fire
ahead.
axe?
Do you have a good good scope for your sniper, Jesse?
I have the sniper scope I bought at the beginning of the game.
okay. Just making sure, cause I could give you.
And
the
really,
ACOG.
it's a 4x scope.
Yeah, that one's like the high zoom, isn't it?
Mm-hmm. But it's just like a 4x instead of a 2x, which is the ACOG.
Enemy
I wish we
contact.
could command
the
Holly
ACOG
to pick
2X?
up something.
The ACOG's a 2x scope.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that.
Yep.
I'm just used to
Normally,
COD where it's 4X.
normally in games it's a 4x scope.
Yeah. So what's the magnification on the high power one?
4.
Oh, okay.
Ammo here.
Watch where you're walking. Watch where you're shooting, man.
Sorry!
I shot through the zombie and hit you.
Oh wow, what is wrong with this barn?
It's kind of gushy, isn't it? Hey, there's a chest up here.
Yeah.
You see that?
Ooh, it's something for you, Alex.
Mm-hmm.
Well, how'd you get up
Right
there?
here.
Oh,
Just like that.
I'm just dumb. A spiked baseball bat.
Oh, find all the nest nodes and destroy their weak spots.
Oh, hey,
I thought that was
Oh. Too bad we don't have another toolkit. Look at what that
Yeah, I
box
see
says.
the minigun.
what the fuck?
Nine.
Can we go back to the safe house and buy one?
out.
I think so.
Uh,
I don't know where the safe house is exactly from here, other than that direction somewhere.
I think we have 2 more of those node things to destroy.
Yep, we're at 0 of 2.
I feel like this is the wrong way.
Ammo here.
Definitely the wrong way.
Hey, naked.
You're shitting me, right?
Yeah, that's a definite nope.
Assault rifle!
Ammo here.
Are we supposed to go down there?
Hey! You don't want to be all the way out there!
I think we gotta finish the nest nodes. Oh. I shot some weak spots on those things. It was like right here. Oh, I see. I know what we need to do.
Here to...
I'm just following this thing. I think we're supposed to shoot some of these node piles. Yeah.
2 pods left.
Oh, horde. Back to the barn. Back to the barn.
Let's do this.
I'm going in.
A minigun would be nice right about now.
Going in.
I know, right?
Well, hello, big fella.
Where's the big guy at?
Yeah, I was gonna say I hear him.
There he is.
Nice.
Axe here.
Oh god.
Move back.
There's some propane tanks here if you guys want them. Oh, you could just shoot that and see.
So what'd you what'd you end up shooting?
So
No
I
idea.
just see this little spot here? There's like little red things. Oh, did you shoot it?
Oh, hey, I got a toolkit.
Yay! 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 Yay!
Oh,
Claim your prize.
a minigun for one.
Engaging written.
Alex,
this
you can
isn't-
take it.
Stay down.
What?
You can take the
Marcus,
minigun.
you don't want it?
No, I
Take
like
it.
the sniper rifle.
Do it. Light him up, Alex.
Well, what?
Oh, it's not a.
It's just a
Oh.
turret.
It's a placey turret.
Oh, place it down.
That was weird.
Or wait to place it down, maybe?
I think I
Yeah.
might wait.
What's that sound?
Oh, I gotta carry it.
Maybe
Oh.
There, go over there.
Sorry! Holly's down!
Holly's down.
Crusher, crushed Holly.
The bony crusher.
Oh.
Oh god, he's still down here. Ah! Where? Ow.
Get ahead. You're okay.
Holly
What a
looked like
bot.
she was just twitching on the ground there.
Thanks.
Alright. Shall we advance?
Oh, hey. There's a big guy over here I'm gonna kill. Because he's just sitting waiting on the side of the shore for us.
Oh, I see that. Can you get him?
He did.
Yep. Well, Jesse did.
You see that?
Okay, you guys ready to see what this does?
Yep, hang on. Let me come up there.
Wait, why is there a marker over by that boathouse? Is that where we're supposed to go?
I marked over there.
Oh,
Blow it.
do it.
Got eyes on that. Got a nest.
Bye.
Well, hello, big fella.
Hey, teammates can share ammo. Do you have assault rifle ammo on you?
Yeah.
Do you want any sniper ammo?
Here.
I'm good.
Ladies first.
I got plenty of ammo.
Oh, can I have some of your assault rifle ammo?
Yeah, how do I give it to you?
Go to tab and then hover over the ammo at
Okay,
the bottom
just
and just
drop it.
drag. Yeah. I don't know if there's a way to drop a certain
Need
amount.
this.
There you go.
Thank you. Wow, 500.
How is
Sweet.
it supposed
I
to
dropped
go
all.
there?
Yeah. Alex, do you need any ammo? I think I have shotgun.
Fire on my target.
No, I'm good.
What's your
Oh,
primary?
did you find a better fire axe or something, Alex?
Huh? I have a baseball bat right now.
Oh.
Oh yeah, it was on that barn roof.
Yeah.
Oh, there's some guys out there that I'm shooting at. Just padding my stats. I think we just run over this.
I
Oh,
wouldn't do this for just anybody. So what I'm saying is, you owe me.
that way.
You see it?
They're here.
Oh, mark the safe house for us. I think we're taking too long, apparently.
No.
Short shotty here.
Gasoline.
Need that.
Oh, I can take my pain meds for.
Not too bad.
Figured I might as well top off. The Belgian, what the hell? This looks cool.
That's
Oh,
the
this is just
sawed-off
the one we had.
sidearm.
Walker! I thought you were trained to use that.
You should know how to use your weapon by now.
Trying to
to
get
reload.
yourself killed?
Now, my question is, do we want to take the chance and carry the minigun with us so we can potentially use it in the next chapter, or...
Yeah, try. I don't
Yeah.
know if it'll let us, but
I mean, worst case, we
It drops
don't
it.
get to take it.
Touch and go for a moment.
That'd be really
look
sad.
at
pull
this
through
guy on the
together.
shitter. Oh, that's the seat.
You'll get yourself killed out there.
Bye, Holly.
Oh,
God damn it, Holly.
Glad you guys
Get
could
your
keep
ass in
up.
here.
But would you mind keeping that door closed?
Holly.
Get in her way.
Ben is susceptible to catching a
oh, am I?
No, not you, Jesse. What's...
There you go.
Nice.
Stab me in the
I
head right as
stabbed Ollie in both eyes. And
Apparently, he didn't stab her in the eyes well enough. 414 kill, damn.
Where, she must be growing these in the backyard or something.
She's taking all of our kills, I swear. Man, I didn't even crack 300.
You hit 371.
300.
270.
I got 705.
I'm curious that, or I don't know what that's supposed to be
I think that's the total for this whole act.
total.
I don't know.
Sorry.
Maybe.
Hell's bells.
Got me. Oh, this must be like a second chapter or something.
Yeah, that's what I was just kind of thinking too.
Because it said 4-2 instead of 4-1.
Yeah, it might be the second half, maybe.
Yeah. The back
Yeah.
9.
Oh, you have it or not? Nope. Oh, there's a dead zombie up here.
No, we lost the turret.
Quiet now. My husband's sleeping.
Rip.
Just got a touch of that flu that's been going around. They told us it would probably clear up by itself, but down to that place they set up at the fairgrounds anyways. My
Wow.
dad wanted none
Super
of that.
topical and very delusional.
Yeah. I was just thinking that same thing. He just got one of those flus right now or whatever.
Yeah, he's just got one of them
Supposed to
flus.
clear
It'll be
up
fine.
soon.
Yeah. Meanwhile, you know, zombies
Weren't
everywhere.
people saying with the coronavirus vaccine, like this is literally how the apocalypse starts or something
See
like
that?
that?
Yeah, I've seen. I know towards the beginning there was a lot of Mad Max like memes being thrown around. What just happened on my screen? I'm glad I'm recording my perspective because that was just ridiculous. This body over here was like under this car and just freaked out. And
I think I had
unfolded
one
out underneath
do
the
that
car.
in the tractor earlier.
Ooh, I see copper.
Over there.
Hey,
Ooh, here's someone
Vanguard.
juicy. You know, the sound kind of reminds me of a boomer, which I'm assuming that was intentional.
Did you guys
considering they
pick up the
kinda
free
serve-
card?
Yeah.
Need to reload.
Did you?
Fortune, whatever fortune is.
Yeah.
I think it means loot, maybe.
Maybe we get more back on copper drops or something.
Here.
I'll take this.
Oh,
There's some copper in the back of this truck.
You okay?
Oh.
Apparently, boot cross chainers, 20% more stamina, 20% stamina regain. Yeah, why not? What else am I using copper
I
on?
gotta hold it down to buy it. Got some boots to move faster, recharge faster, more health.
Wow, they
Rocket
weren't
boots?
kidding when they said there was an ominous, ominous fog.
I'm all right, sir. Accidents happen.
You guys driven in fog like
Got
this?
eyes on that?
yeah.
Yes.
Checking the car.
Yes.
Reloading.
There's a spot in between Cedar Rapids and Oski where you go down by the lakes or
Oh,
by
yeah.
some like some small ponds and lakes and stuff like, and it gets pretty
This reminds
foggy
me of
over there.
Oh shit!
Another
One of the
minigun
missions
tree.
from Left 4 Dead 2.
Yeah, I can definitely see it. It's kind of like one of the swamp ones. One of the
Mini
main swamp
rifle.
one.
Gilly would like some.
Oh, hi, Crusher.
Check fire.
Before the collapse, I'd read a substantial amount of material that supported the supposition that the military-industrial complex was complicit in the outbreak.
Really?
Okay, I know you're relatively new, but we've only got enough tinfoil for one hat
I
around
hear
here.
stuff, but I don't see
dismiss
stuff.
Ernest's curiosity so flippantly.
Something's gonna
The
hit me.
truth is
Oh,
out
there he
and
is.
these things go above the top.
Are you guys
Start
hearing
on
this
a mistake.
ridiculous dialogue between these characters?
Yeah.
Turtles.
I wanna go heal Holly.
My
I loved
old
it.
nemesis.
We only have
Holly.
turtles.
Thanks.
Turtles, my old nemesis.
Mm-hmm.
What does this guy do? They
Got
hate
ammo here.
have turtles as
What have
enemies.
we here?
There's a minigun here, but I'm gonna not
Here.
open that and just open whatever room is next.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ammo here.
We haven't really needed something.
No, we haven't really needed a turret like that.
Assault rifle.
What is that?
Need to reload.
Ooh, hi!
Need to
Where
reload.
were you going? Oh. Where'd he go?
He's
SMG.
gone.
Died.
Where'd he come from, Cotton Eye Joe?
Are we supposed to go this way?
God, I feel so disappointed that I had to finish that.
I said that earlier to Jesse. He's like, "Where did this come from?" And I'm like, "Where did it go?"
Tread softly and keep your eyes open. I've had enough.
Then he looked at me like he hated me.
The area you're in.
Maybe that's why I didn't get a finish there, because both of you already did it.
No,
it happened.
I was just not really paying attention, honestly.
Through here.
Where did he come from? Where did he go?
No, we're gonna get demonetized. You're singing it too well.
Well, we can't. We'd have to be monetized first.
Ah, fair enough. Ooh, there's a bunch of copper in this car.
Working at the car wash.
Loading.
Wow,
man, that's
this is a really hot car
Bro,
wash.
watch where you park yourself.
We set the water to fiery.
Well,
Ooh, that's
at least
hot.
the air quality's improved.
What just happened there?
I dropped
Yeah, I
that.
don't. Oh,
Too bad.
somehow got me on fire too. I wasn't even that close to you.
Watch where you burn.
SMG here. I'm ready. You ready?
Cover me.
Kick
Reloading.
ass.
MP5. I was curious what that was. I didn't care. I was taking on fire damage. I was gonna look at it.
I was gonna touch that gun whether I died or not.
Someone is just lighting my back up.
I think it's our bot. I just turn around and Holly's standing there reloading.
No.
There's an old church up ahead. You should be able to rest up there. Be careful. Ridden may not be your only threat. Last I heard, it's in pretty bad shape. You'll have to use some elbow grease to secure it.
Oh hey, you said one of you guys had
Yep.
a box
I thought you were trained
or a
to do
toolkit.
that.
Okay, that was a door. I thought that was actually our objective, so I decided to keep running on to kind of just
Ooh,
look
look at all this stuff.
a little farther.
A lot of shit in here, boys.
Ooh, defibrillators. Hopefully we won't need that.
Never know, Holly.
Never know when I might
Zoom
need
scope
this.
here. I'm gonna take the ACOG. 'cause I had a
Hydration
high-
pack
Stop.
defense.
Nice. That high zoom.
There's also a random basic card over here. Where is he? Oh,
Reloading. Reloading.
Holy crap!
Is he
Holly
in
is
here
red.
or what? Yeah, I know.
Basically,
She
got in
just-
here.
Can we shut this
Check
door?
your fire.
Sincere apologies.
Holly got
Roasted.
lit up.
yeah.
Oh, hydration
Hey,
backpack.
Got good.
Free card.
Shotgun here.
25% or 25 health. What did that say?
I'll take it. Minus 20% ammo capacity.
No, I worked so hard on my ammo.
I have a
cards
lot
there.
of ammo capacity.
times
Actually,
7.
I've got like 4 of the things. Let's pick up some pain
Just what I
meds.
want.
Holly, let's give you some pain meds.
I mean,
Good
you're not
bandage.
keeping
I'm not
score
sure
here,
what I'm
right?
doing.
I have a silenced Super 90.
Oh yeah, that was my bandage I threw in there.
Oh, sorry. Here, I'll drop it.
You can have it.
No,
Bandages
no, you
here.
have it.
Sight.
Oh, hang on.
Nothing to
Let me-
worry about.
Wait, is there a healing pack in here?
What have we here?
Like one of those free healing
Assault
charges?
rifle
Oh, they're right here.
Yeah.
Patch it up.
Someone left their ranch rifle over here.
I wonder who.
Found a sight.
You want some pizza rolls with your ranch rifle?
Going in.
Yeah, Marcus, your health bar disappeared for me. That was
Yeah, I don't know why it's going down slowly. I must
It's
be
because
infected.
you're probably over health. You probably have temporary health added on.
weird. Oh, did you use pain meds or a bandage?
I just used pain meds because I did the full heal on the wall, but then my health was dropping.
Yeah, I did the same thing. I used pain meds and the full heal. Molly should use the heal too.
No, I did it
Yeah,
the other
the
way.
pain meds
I did the heal
Oh.
to get me to full, and then like 30 seconds later I noticed I wasn't full anymore. So I'm like, fine, I'll just use pain meds temporarily. Try to help. I don't know what lowered me.
Could have been the guy exploding. Or the guy coming in here and smacking people.
Maybe?
Because we had the bruiser stepped into the room.
Yeah, that could have been.
Unless Marcus used the heal thing right away, because we killed the bruiser well before I noticed that
I
thing
used
was
it
in there.
before you guys used it. I do know that.
Lucky day, HR.
Pipe bomb here.
Pipe bomb.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh, there's just a
I
pile
hear
of
something
them.
like
balloon
clicking
also.
outside.
Yeah, I hear
Grenade here.
something grilling. Where is he?
I think he's on the roof of the building.
Yeah, it sounds like from
Did you hear
maybe
that?
on the other side. Oh! Oh god! Those things do attack you.
Sleeper lunge.
Yeah, it's that thing. That
Yeah,
thing
I
apparently
watched
does
it. I was
attack
right
you.
behind you.
It scared me. It got me good. I jumped a little.
Engaging written. Watch where
Funny
you
because
fire.
like all of them we'd walked past up until this point just fine.
I got this. Reloading.
Over there.
Hey, another Glock auto.
Handgun.
I'll take that because I dropped my other one for a semi-auto, didn't realize it, and then I swapped for shotgun, and I really regret the shotgun swap.
Short shotty.
Yeah, the Belgian's not great.
If the reload was
Belgian
twice
or
as
whatever.
fast, it wouldn't be too bad.
Right.
Come on, man. That shit hurt.
Reloading.
Oh, sweet sanctuary.
Are we near the safe house?
This is
Then?
sanctuary.
Opening the safe room door will call the horde.
Okay, cool.
Oh, I saw a minigun box. I thought.
I don't
Way
have
up
a
here.
toolkit.
I don't either.
Sounds like Borderlands music when we were in the fish zone.
Okay, I think we cleared this.
I'm ready if you guys are.
Yeah, I guess I'm as ready as I can be.
Watch where you're shooting, man.
I was trying to shoot that zombie in there and
He
he
just
stepped right in
disappeared.
front of me. Yeah. Okay.
Need help here.
Reloading.
Get ready. We're about to get visited.
A 12 with a scope.
That's weird. But
A machete.
I'm gonna get over here with you guys because boy, there's a lot of shit coming in that way.
Oh hey, pick up the boards and fortify.
Oh,
Where is that at? Where are the boards? Oh,
Right in
in
the
the middle,
Oh,
or
shit.
like next to the pew. What's that
Yeah.
called?
right in the middle of the room.
Hey, we can close this door.
Gun strike. Gotta reload.
just shoot down that
Time to
bell.
head back to base.
Wait,
Hey,
completed.
we won.
Hey, we created
That
a safe
sucks.
house. What? What sucks?
I just wanted to pick up the shotgun temporarily, but oh well.
Oh no.
It's a
See
good
who
gun.
going on to the next round.
Yeah, it's a good gun.
I'm only half evil.
Half evil.
I got 333 kills.
Like a Hellcat.